Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is April the 14th, 2018, and I wanted to show you one of my calendula flowers bloomed here. And it's been open for maybe like 3 or 4 days now. And it's been nice out, so I took the plants outside and put them in the shade. You definitely do not want to put them out in the sun because you will burn them. So they've been out in the shade here. And I just wanted to show you what the bloom looks like on it. And I'm very pleased with it. I think they're gorgeous. So I just wanted to show you that. Now, another thing with these calendulas is you can see it has more blooms coming on it down here. And if you actually cut this and or you deadhead them, like when this flower is spent, they'll actually bloom more. Where people run into issues and trouble with their annuals that stop blooming is when you just let these go and you let them go to seed, and then they'll just stop blooming on you. And the reason why they do that is because an annual's thing is to come up, flower, produce its seeds, and then most of the time they die. So one way to keep them blooming and keep them going is to just take the dead flowers off, or if you want to make a nice bouquet, or you want just like a single flower, you could actually cut this and put this in a vase, and it will trigger the plant to produce more flowers. So that's always an option for you there if you want more blooms out of your flowers. And that works for all of your annuals. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.